I just bought the cheapest windshield wipers I could find on Amazon for my car, and I am super impressed. Crazy fast and easy to put on, and they worked really well. Let's see how this works. Oh, beautiful. So I thought maybe my windshield wipers needed to be cleaned, but then I tried cleaning them and nope, they definitely need to be replaced. So here's what I found on Amazon. These were some of the cheapest that I could find. I sure hope they work. They look too small. They're just bent, which is why they could fit it in this smaller container. There is, you can see this green cover that needs to come off before I put this on. All right, so you just make sure you hook it here, and then it's most of the way done there. And then these tabs, you just push it until you put it in. There, it snapped. That's good. Oh man, that took like just a couple seconds. So here are my old wipers, here are the new ones. So it doesn't matter that they were bent at all, they are still flush against the window. That took me like 10 seconds to put on. That's awesome. Well, as far as putting the windshield wipers on, that's the fastest I've ever done it. It really took about 10 seconds. I'm gonna turn them on now, see how it is. Let's see how this works. Oh, beautiful.